Hello kids, I hope you all fine and doing well. Welcome back to the math session. Children, today we are going to study about word problems. It is also called as story problems or statement sums. So let's see first what are word problems. When questions of mathematics are presented in the form of a story, we call them word problems. Inside the story, there are numbers which we need to use to solve the problems. Now, let us see some important keywords which will help us to solve the subtraction word problems. Left with, take away, difference, minus, less than, more than, decrease by, borrow, remaining, left, and so on. So these all are the keywords which is used to solve the subtraction word problems. Before we start, let us learn some important steps. So it will help us to solve our word problems in an easier way. So, step 1, read the sum carefully and try to understand it. Step 2, find out what is given or what information is given. Step 3, arrange all the given numbers along with their statements in their proper places. Step 4, then see what is asked. That means what we have to find out. Step 5, decide the operation to be used. And then finally solve the sum and below that write the correct answer. Let us understand by taking one example. Let's follow the steps. Now what is our step 1? Read the sum carefully and try to understand it. So a sweet seller made 344 laddus. He sold 135 of them. How many laddus are still left with him? Now what is our second step? Find out what is given or what information is given. So what is given here? Here, that sweet seller, he has made the 344 laddus, means total number of laddus. And what is given? He has sold. So number of laddus sold how much? 135. Now we have to arrange the given numbers along with their statements in their proper places. So we can see here. See. You can see here total number of laddus 344. Number of laddus sold 135. So we have arranged it in a proper places. Now what you have to find out here? What is asked? That how many laddus are left. Now here the left word shows that we have to, it's a keyword. We have to do the subtraction. So you can see here 4, we cannot subtract 4. We cannot subtract this 5 from 4. So we have borrowed 1/10 from the tens place. So here we will cut 4 and it will become 14. And here 1 less. So we will cut 4 and it will become 3. And as 3 will easily go from 3, so we don't have to borrow from here. So 14 minus 5 we will get 9. 3 minus 3 will get 0. And 3 minus 1 we get 2. So number Number of laddus left, 209. And in the last, you have to write like this answer. You will make like this box and write the answer. 209 laddus are left with sweet seller. I hope, children, you all must have understood that how to solve the word problems using different keywords and following the different steps. So you will practice more sums. Thank you, children.